Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Rice County, southwestern Goodhue County, and southeastern Minnesota until 7 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles southwest of Nerstrand, or 7 miles east of Faribault, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Kenyon around 6:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the tornado include Ruskin and Nerstrand Bigwood State Park. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Goodhue and Rice.